How to fix Twitter or X app not loading tweets. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete, and I'm back with new video. And on today's video we will see how we can fix if your Twitter application or X app is not loading any tweets. So let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that your application is updated. To check that, open a Play Store in your device and on the search bar, search for X app. So if your application is missing out any updates, you will see update option where I have open. Simply tap on update and let your application update. Once the update is complete, and go back and check whether the problem is solved or not. If not, now you have to open up settings in your device. Now under settings, tap on apps. Again, tap on see all apps. Now tap on the search icon at the top right corner and in the search bar type in X app. Open up the app info page of X app. Now, under this, tap on storage and cache. From here, tap on clear cache. Clearing the cache will remove all the glitches in application. Once you're done with that, go back. After that, tap on force stop. Again, tap on OK. And once you're done, go back, restart your device and open up the X application again. And this will fix your problem. So that's how you fix Twitter or X app not loading tweets, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.